Oh, DT, what's wrong? Because, mommy, my channel, it's not grow. Don't be sad. That how come is. Nini struggle about channel. But I am beautiful. I know you're beautiful. What I can help you about your channel? Help me, mommy, to let's subscribe your friends. You have a lot of friends. Uh, I can't promise to you, my love, because many friends is not real. It's only fake. So if it's fake, don't mind it, forget it. I reckon, yeah, because before I have 120 subscriber, now I got 116. Yes, I know. What happened to your eyes? I don't know. Tinky scratch it. Don't annoy Tinky. Okay, sit down there, sit down. Don't bite my cord. Don't bite it. Oh, I thought it's a toy. It's not your toy. It's a cord. It's a battery. It's battery. Mommy, don't tell me. I'm shy. Don't shy. You're beautiful. You're mommy's baby. You're my baby. Come on, come on. Don't hurt the bird, okay? If you seen bird, don't hurt it. It's your friend. It's your friend. Sit down only there. I want to run. What are you running for? That's good, girl. That's good, girl. Sit down in chair along with mommy. Yes, ma'am. Because I am want to be a beautiful cat in the whole world. Yeah, I know that. Mommy, tell to your friends, subscribe me. Yeah, I tell. I tell to your sister Samarinia because she had a lot of friends and dancing queen. Dancing queen, would you please subscribe my channel? Okay, okay. I let the dancing queen subscribe you. Sit down only, sit down. Sit down because mommy let's subscribe you. And my friend. Hello friend, subscribe my uh, cat channel, BTK. Yes, it's my channel. Please guys, subscribe my channel. I am beautiful, like mommy says. Yes, you're beautiful. I know you're beautiful. That's why I love you. Mommy love you. Okay, sit down only. Look at the camera, look. Mm. How people subscribe you? You not look the camera. Oh, see? Mm. I embarrassed. I scared. I feel shy. Don't shy. Uh, do like mommy do. Always in camera. Yes, okay. Okay, mommy. Look, mommy is there along with you. Okay. Okay. Please guys subscribe my YouTube channel BTK and my mom Condis TV. Oh la la, I like it. Mommy, I like it. You pull my head. Look at that. My ex's hair flying. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. I want to cuddle mommy. Bye-bye, guys.